Talking sunshine on your skin, like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled.
What's up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel in the building. How are we today? You doing good? Absolutely amazing. Appreciate you all for coming and hanging out with me today. Listen, I'm going to get right into it. I'm feeling great today. I am dolled up, as you can see, like I'm going to the office. Well, I guess I am in my office, even though your girl sometimes has the pleasure of, getting her work done in her robe. That's my life, and I love it. Listen, today I'm going to talk about something that I've had a lot of questions about regarding hair. I don't know what it is about the hair during this time of the year, but everybody's having a little bit of shedding, a little bit of breakage, a little bit of all of that. Probably the hot sun, summertime fun, getting in the pool, that chlorine in the hair, all that good stuff. You know what we be doing. You know what we be doing, right? That is why it's so important to use those things that are beneficial for the hair, that's going to help restore the hair. And today I have one oil that is just that. We're going to talk about this particular oil. It's not the only oil that you can use, but it's one that you might want to add to your hair care arsenal. And what I'm preaching about today is Amla Fruit Oil. This oil right here. This particular one is made by SVA Organics. That is the brand that you can find on Amazon. Now, if you're having problems with damaged hair, Amla Fruit Oil can definitely help you out. Let me share with you the goodness of Amla Fruit Oil. Amla Oil is highly recommended for hair care, scalp care, hair growth, and skin care. It is known as a traditional Ayurvedic natural hair rejuvenator that prevents premature gray hair, reduces split ends, keeps hair shiny, stronger, and helps to control damage. Now, I just want to mention to you all, last week, of course, I was doing a lot of home reno stuff, and I was busy. So I really didn't color my hair at all, but I was using my Amla Fruit Oil. If you look at those videos on Behind the Scenes with Sweet Angel and Mike, you'll notice my hair being a little bit more darker than usual. Amla Fruit Oil will do that. It will help to make your gray hair look darker. It'll help to make your blonde hair look darker. If that's what you're going for, that's a great thing. But for me, no, I didn't necessarily want that, but I just wanted the benefits of this while I wasn't putting any coloring in my hair. But it will turn it a little bit darker. And even now, I did color my hair this morning, and it didn't take as light as it normally would. So be aware of that. And let me tell you other things about this amazing oil here, Amla Fruit Oil. Amla Fruit Oil is high in vitamin C and natural antioxidants known as flavonoids and polyphenols, which when used for hair treatment is thought to strengthen and condition follicles down to the roots. Now, Ayurvedic practitioners also believe that Amla Fruit Oil can promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and prevent graying of hair. So it has been bona fide by many to be just that. Great for the hair. So just to tell you how I use it, sometimes I just use it just to moisturize my scalp, and just taking a few drops of it in my hand and applying it to my hair. You can also add this to your hair products, your shampoo, your conditioner. You can also add it to your hair products. If you use any kind of hair greases or any styling products, mix it in with that and style your hair. Again, your hair may appear a little darker than usual. For those that are graying and don't want the gray showing, that's a good thing. For those who do want the gray showing, you might do best by putting this in your shampoos or your conditioners and then rinsing it out so that it doesn't have a big impact on the color of your hair. When applied topically, the vitamins and minerals along with the phytonutrients present in Amla Fruit Oil increases the blood circulation in the scalp, which stimulates the hair growth. Blood circulation ensures that the scalp gets all the essential nutrients and oxygen to be healthy. So if it concerns you that you don't want your hair showing darker, if you have black hair or brunette hair, it's a plus. But if you have blonde hair, you might just want to work it closer to the scalp than bring it on the ends of the hair. Now, not only is it great for your hair growth, it's good for the skin as well. Definitely great for the skin. It's extremely beneficial for improving your skin's complexion and targeting stubborn scarring. This is because of the vitamin C in it, which is going to help increase the production of collagen, which rebuilds healthy skin and fades scarring, which we all want smooth, blemish-free, even-tone skin. Y'all, just a little tidbit about Amla Fruit Oil. I think I have talked about it before. If I have not, I want to apologize. Like I said, right now I'm going through these oils. I'm right now in the process of just cleaning up, cleaning out, checking on everything that I have. So from A to Z, we're going to be talking about the oils that I have in my arsenal, and maybe some that you might want to pick up. So check out Amla Fruit Oil the next time you're browsing in my Amazon store. It will be listed below, or just browsing on Amazon, or just wherever you want to pick it up. I'm sure you can find it in other places as well. So beautiful babes, that's it, that's all. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me once again. I will definitely see y'all on the next video. So make sure, in order for you to know when I post and upload each and every time, make sure you have subscribed to the channel, turn on your bell notification, and please don't keep me a secret. Tell everybody where you're hanging out at, right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care.
I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. Two queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on the way.